We gotta take a picture of them on the runway.
Yeah, I just don't like wearing them that much.
Whoops, I forgot to clean.
I don't want them.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I could just let you have them.
I don't want them. I would probably never wear them. Because the sunglasses I wear are my gooder sunglasses, and I was going to bring those, but I didn't.
Yeah, well, we can just leave those in my car. That's where they live anyway. So.
Yeah.
I like the gooder sunglasses.
Trying to get the perfect picture. People are in the way. Of the plane landing.
Oh, I see. I didn't even see it.
Let's see how that picture was. Hey, is this a good picture?
Looks like a bigger plane.
Yeah.
I didn't really do that.
No. Gordon has to go there. I don't want to go to Paris. They used to gun and it hurts me. But the friends are here. I want to go to a shop like that. But no. Yes. Like oh, I don't
Every time I've had those, I've
How
lost them.
Good?
Like, and then you're worried that I was lucky it happened.
I'm gonna go ask an employee where the bathroom is.
Okay. I think it's 5 minutes. Do you have a student ID with you?
Nope. I only.
Oh, but I have your. I can show them the app.
On any part of my body. It will burn. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna powder. Definitely.
Coming in hot and heavy.
We don't have to.
The Claire's in the outlets if you want to join us at the outlets. Well, we're finished with